Hi, this is Witch Spirit Tarot. We are looking at a pocket spell book series. There's 6 books in this series and they're all under $15 each. These books are hard-covered, and in the US they're $12.99. In Canada they're $17.99. It's a beginner magic book. The 6 titles are Protection Spells, Candle Magic, Pendulum Magic, Love Spells, Moon Spells, and Angel Number. These books are small. They're about 1/3 of the size of a regular notebook for school. Small. I actually have this protection spell book, so if you want a book review on this book, and I may pick up some more, let me know in the comments. So check the description for book reviews for these books and potentially related books. The first book is Protection Spells. Oh, by the way, on the bottom of the page, I've included the published date, so you know how old the book is, as well as the ISBN 13 number. It helps your search when you look for a book. If you're having a problem with the titles, putting it in and not getting a result, put the number in and you will get the result if they have it. It's a little trick. So I've included the ISBN number on the bottom right hand side for all the books and the publishing date. So Protection Spells. It's a book to help clear negative energy. It's filled with spells, charms, talismans, rituals, and potions. Some spells are protect from physical danger, negative energy, spells for the home, to prevent harm, to heal and prevent illness, and for good luck. Aurora Kane is the author. The next book is Candle Magic, an enchanting spell book of candles and rituals by Minerva Rockcliffe. It includes magics for color, numbers, crystals, and herbs. So color magic, number magic, crystal magic, and herbal magic. The spells include lunar empowerment spells, attract success, banish negative energies, comfort from stress, manifesting your dreams, purifying your home. The next book is the Pendulum Magic book, and it's a spell book of discovery and magic. This is by Fortuna Noir. It includes dowsing and divination, pendulum charts, rituals for balancing chakras, meditations, methods for clearing negative energies, spells, and approaches for hands-on practice. Next is Love Spells. This is a spell book of potions and rituals. It deals with romantic and platonic love, maintaining love, relationship troubles. Spells include confidence, meditation spell, burning love ritual, vow for commitment, protection from an ex's hex, fresh start elixir spray, clove herbal friendship spell, animal companion blessing. Moon Spells. This is a spell book of magic and rituals. It includes spells, charms, rituals, and potions. Magic is based on lunar cycles, using energy of every phase of the moon. Spells for healing, luck, friendship, empowerment, and more. Rituals and spells are timed to the waxing, full, waning, and new moon. The last book is Angel Numbers by Fortuna Noir. It's a book of spirit guides and magic. It talks about repeated number sequences, that appear in the world around you, the meaning behind angel numbers, the history and roles of angels, and how to communicate with them, plus how to use meditation to reveal what your angel guides are trying to tell you. This is a little overview. The size is listed here, which is quite small. Like I said, it's about a third of the size of a scribbler. It comes in English. The format is hardcover. It's 160 pages. Wellfleet Press is the publisher. Again, in US it's $12.99, Canada $17.99. You can get these books at Barnes & Nobles in the US, as well as Indigo and Chapters in Canada. So these books are available online. There's a recap of the spell books. We have protection spells, candle magic, pendulum magic, love spells, moon spells, and angel numbers. So if you enjoyed the video and you'd like to see more from this channel, remember to subscribe. Hit the bell too if you really liked it, and leave comments below if you would like to see reviews on any of these books. Thank you very much. Bye.